Hello, my dear children. I hope all of you are staying safe. In this session, we are going to continue the same chapter 4, simple equations. The same exercise 4.3, sum number 1. And in that, we are going to do sum number I. That is 3L by 2 is equal to 2 by 3. Okay. So, two operations. One is multiplication, another is division. So, first you have to eliminate the division. So, you have to bring these 2 from left hand side to right hand side. We are transposing the 2 from LHS to RHS. So here division, when it comes here, it will be multiplication. So 3L is equal to, it will come here, 2 by 3 multiplication into 2. Okay children, now next we got to eliminate this 3. So 3 here it is what? Multiplication. So when you bring this 3 here, it will be in the division. This is, you can write it as 2 2s are 4 by 3. So L is equal to what? 4 by 3 into 3. By here I have already explained 4 by 3 divided by 3. So 4 by 3 into 1 by 3. So that is equal to 4 by 3 into 3. So instead of writing these steps, we are writing in the denominator as a product of the previous denominator and this 3. So L is equal to 4 by 3 3s are 9. Now let us check LHS. LHS is equal to 3 by 2 into L. L is what? 4 by 9. 2 goes 2 times, 3 goes 3 times. So what do you have? What do you have? 2 by 3. Okay. So our answer is correct. Answer is what? L is equal to 4 by 9. What we got? This is correct. Okay. Now sum number J. The J sum is 2b by 3. Here 3 operations. So I'll do from this end. So somewhat big sum. J sum 2b by 3 minus 5 is equal to 3. So in this question, we have 3 operations to be eliminated. 3 constants to be eliminated from the left hand side to get the value of the variable b. Okay, so first what should you do? When you have multiplication, division and subtraction. So first here you have to eliminate this subtraction, then division, then multiplication. Have you understood children? This is the order of eliminating the constants from the left hand side. Okay, so first 2b by 3. We are going to eliminate this. That means we are going to transpose this minus 5 from the left hand side to the right hand side. So here it will be addition 3 plus 5. That is equal to 2b by 3 is equal to 5 plus 3, 8. So first elimination over. Now for the second elimination, you have to eliminate this 3. Okay, so to eliminate, this is with what? Operation division. So when you bring this division operation to the right hand side, we are transposing this 3 which is connected with the variable b by division, it will become what? Multiplication into 3. Okay. So 2b is equal to 8 into 3. That is equal to 24. So what do you have? 2b is equal to 24. Now we have eliminated the second operation, division. Now we have to eliminate the third operation, multiplication. So this one, you have to bring this here. Because when you are eliminating a multiplication operation, for that you have to do the opposite, that is what? Division operation. So b is equal to 24 by 2. So b is equal to 12. Now we will check whether our answer is correct or not. We have got this value. Now checking or verification, LHS is what? 2b by 3. 2b means what? 2 into 12 by 3 minus 5. So let us do simplify this one first. 3 goes 4 times. So what do you have? 2 4s are 8 minus 5. That is equal to 3. Are you getting the right hand side? So it is RHS. Therefore our answer is B is equal to 12. Okay children, I think you may have understood all the questions in the sum number 1. If you have any doubt, you write in the comment box. I will clarify your doubts. Okay children, we'll continue. We'll move to the second sum in the next session. Take care of your health, which is very, very important. God bless you all. Thank you children.